Welcome to a world where your passion for health meets global impact. Imagine shaping the future of public health, addressing global challenges, and making a difference in communities worldwide. Introducing the Master of Science in Public Health program at University of Nottingham, where knowledge meets action, and leaders are forged. Let's dive into what makes our program stand out. This program is designed to equip you with a deep understanding of epidemiology, health policy, and environmental health. You'll explore the complexities of public health challenges and develop innovative solutions. Gain real-world experience through hands-on projects, internships, and fieldwork. Put your knowledge into practice and make a tangible impact in the community. Public health knows no borders. Immerse yourself in a diverse, global community. Collaborate with peers from different backgrounds and learn from experienced professionals shaping the future of public health. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? The world needs passionate public health leaders like you. The application deadline is approaching. Don't miss your chance. And exciting news! Degree Plus is here to support your journey. There are several scholarships and funding opportunities available to fund the course fees of this program. Time is the essence, so don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. If you are ready to fast-track your goals and secure the funding you need, reach out to us right now. Act quickly and let's make your dreams a reality together. Don't wait, seize the opportunity today. Apply now to be part of a community dedicated to making a real difference in the world. Transform your passion into action. Your journey in public health begins here.